In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Trello board into UseQ. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly moving your projects across platforms with ease. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your UseQ board, open up your browser and enter your UseQ URL, or click the provided link if you have it handy. Once there, make sure you're properly logged into your account and you can see your main project dashboard. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll notice three small dots. These dots are a menu button offering you additional options for board management. Go ahead and click on these three dots. This will open a drop-down menu revealing various actions you can perform on your board. Among these options, you should see one that says Import Trello Board. Don't hesitate to click on it. Once you've selected Import Trello Board, a prompt may appear to guide you further. This is a standard step in the process, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly between your UseQ and Trello accounts. Click on Import Trello Board once more to proceed. This action tells UseQ you're ready to bring in a board from Trello. Now, an authorization window will pop up. Seeing this screen is a good sign. It means the platforms are trying to communicate. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions by clicking on the Allow button. This grant is crucial as it authorizes UseQ to access your Trello boards, so be sure to review the permissions and then confirm your choice. After allowing the access, you'll be directed to select which of your Trello boards you want to import. A list of your boards will appear in front of you. Carefully look through and choose the specific board you wish to bring over to UseQ. Click on your chosen board to highlight it as your selection. Upon making your selection, the import process will begin. This step might take a little time depending on the size of your Trello board and on various factors like your internet speed. Be patient and wait for the import to complete. You'll often see a progress bar or a notification indicating that the import is underway. Once the import finishes, take a moment to review how your data has been translated into UseQ. Verify that all tasks and relevant information are in place and that everything looks how you expected. If there are any discrepancies, you might need to make minor tweaks here and there to fully adjust your new UseQ board. And that's it. You've now successfully imported your Trello board into UseQ. This allows for more streamlined project management by utilizing both platforms to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.